It's still to be determined what type of impact the tariffs will have on the U.S. economy. However, one of the things that we are seeing within the U.S. by some of our largest companies is new pledges and new investments back into the United States for manufacturing and for jobs. This has oftentimes led to a quick rally in the stock price for a lot of these companies. So some of the investments that have been announced recently, the largest one was from Apple. So Apple announced a $600 billion pledge back into the United States for manufacturing and job creation. They're also encouraging a lot of their suppliers to get their products created within the U.S. as well. There has been a $500 billion investment by chip maker Nvidia as they are pledging to create manufacturing and also boost their artificial intelligence infrastructure here in the United States. SoftBank, OpenAI, and Oracle have also pledged a $500 billion investment also into artificial intelligence infrastructure within the U.S. It's not just in the AI space, though. There's a broad swath of companies, and there's actually a running list on the WhiteHouse.com which states a lot of these investments. Private equity giant Blackstone has pledged $25 billion into the state of Pennsylvania as they are starting to build out energy infrastructure and manufacturing. Also, Ford Motor Company announced a $5 billion investment into the state of Kentucky and Michigan, where they will start to boost production of a lot of their EV vehicles and battery operations. So these are just a quick snippet of the long list of investment and pledges that have been announced by a lot of these companies. Who knows if these companies were looking to make these type of investments anyway. However, one of the things that has been rewarded so far has been the stock price of these companies after they have announced these investments. And what we have now seen is the stock market reaching all-time new record highs. So again, we don't know if a lot of this was sparked by the tariffs. I do think there was a strong impetus on that. And there's also a strong push to bring a lot of the U.S. manufacturing and jobs back here. And so far, it has worked out well for the economy from what we have seen this year. If you have any further comments on that, please like this or leave a comment below.